border of Delhi and Haryana near Sonipat, where farmers have been camped. Remember, they had planned to come to Delhi on the 26th of November on Constitution Day to hold a protest, something that had been announced earlier. And Punjab farmers who are sitting there, joined by farmers from Haryana and Madhya Pradesh, farmers from UP and Uttarakhand have also joined in, and they are currently sitting at the border between UP and Delhi as well. And the fear is that if this does become a long haul, then the farmer groups could even block the routes into Delhi. Even right now, there has been inconvenience at the Delhi-Haryana border for many of the passengers, many of the trucks with essential supplies moving to Delhi. And there are reports from the mandis, from the vegetable markets, that we could see a rise in the supply, in the price of essential commodities if the farmers continue to block the highways leading into the national capital. The farmer groups are determined to go ahead till their demands are met. These, you can see, are protests coming from Delhi, UP. And here you can see the visuals from the border at Ghazipur, where cement blocks are being placed on the highway, and UP farmers and Uttarakhand farmers are said to be there. And there you can see authorities putting those blocks there. Well, let's go across to NDTV's Akshay for more. Akshay, describe the situation there currently, and the fear is that if the farmer groups, stay on these highways for too long, they will start blocking the routes to Delhi.
Well, that's the plan. The plan of the farmers, as far as this particular protest is concerned, is to block 5 main highways leading to the national capital. If that happens, then the national capital in a large proportion will be blocked through the outside traffic, leading, yes, to an exponential rise in essential commodities like vegetables, like fruits, because most of these vegetables and fruits that we consume in the national capital does not come from Delhi, but it comes from areas, states like UP, like Haryana. So that will be a problem. Right now we are at the Ghazipur border near UP gate. Now this is National Highway 24. This leads to Hapur and Ghaziabad, where the farmers are sitting. This is just below this particular overbridge, and that is open right now, but this route is choked by the farmers who are sitting here and protesting. A very interesting aspect of this particular protest is the Raganis that are being sung by the farmers. So they are in a way expressing their pain, their problems by the means of Ragani. I'll just try and speak to some of the farmers who are present here. They are expressing their emotions through art as well. So we'll try and get a direct message that what exactly are they trying to say. Sir, एक बात मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपसे से, क्या आप लोगों का प्लान है आगे, क्या करना चाहते हैं?
अब जो है मीटिंग होने वाली है थोड़ी देर में, जो उसमें निर्णय होगा, जो हमारे ऊपर वाले करेंगे वो निर्णय होगा। अच्छा, आगे सड़कें जाम करेंगे सारी, और जो खुल रही है इन्हें बंद करेंगे।
इन्हें आप बंद करना चाहते हैं तो यूपी से हरियाणा की बॉर्डर्स तो बंद कर दी गई है, टीकरी बॉर्डर हुई या फिर सिंगू बॉर्डर हुई। यूपी की ये एक बहुत मेजर रोड है, जरूरी रोड है, इसको ब्लॉक कर देंगे तो दिल्ली एक तरह से बंद हो जाएगी।
4 बजे के लगभग बंद करेंगे।
तो फैसला अभी आना है, लेकिन
इरादा है इतने नहीं मानने के, हमारे सुनने के नहीं, जाम रखेंगे। अभी तो दूध और पानी बंद करेंगे इसका, दूध और पानी बंद करेंगे।
Heard one of the farmers who are present here, and the clear message from the farmer is that they want to block Delhi, and by blocking Delhi they just want to put pressure on the central government even more. Earlier the 2 borders were shut, the Rohtak border as well as the Sonipat border. That is leading to a lot of commotion there. This border is particularly open right now. You can see the vehicles are taking that particular overbridge, but what we can understand, this flyover is used by the computer, but what we can see here is that there are plans of the farmers to bring trolleys, to bring tractors and block this flyover as well, leading to huge traffic here. That definitely will lead to a huge traffic here. So that remains the plan, and there will be a meeting in some time of the farm leaders of UP as well to block the main highways, including the Mathura highway and this one, and that will lead to a lot of problems as far as the national capital is concerned.